Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Open Strava and locate the route you want. If it's a created route, export the GPX file now. If it's an activity, use Export GPX. Once done, open Garmin Connect Mobile and verify your device is paired over Bluetooth. Make sure both apps are updated and permissions for storage and location are granted so files transfer correctly. This preparation prevents stalls later and lets you move straight into importing with no wasted steps. Now import the route into Garmin's ecosystem. On the Garmin Connect website, go to Training then Courses and select Import GPX. Choose the file you exported from Strava and set the sport type. After saving, force a sync in Garmin Connect Mobile to push the course to the device. Alternatively, download the GPX and use Garmin Express. Connect your watch or head unit by USB, add the file under Courses, and send it directly. This ensures your route becomes a native Garmin course ready to navigate. Finish by loading the saved course onto your Garmin device. Open Courses or Navigation on the watch/head unit and choose the route, then select Start or Send to Device. If the device rejects it, simplify the GPX by reducing points or re-exporting from Strava with fewer segments. Garmin struggles with overly long or complex files. If syncing fails, repair Bluetooth, force close and reopen Garmin Connect, restart the device, or use a USB transfer as a fallback. That resolves most transfer problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.